Imagine this, we're at the end of 2025 and you've just hit a milestone you thought was impossible just a year ago. Your YouTube channel is thriving and is even bringing in a consistent income now. You're finally starting to live your dream of being a full-time creator. Sounds amazing, right? Well, as much as it may feel like an absolute long shot now, it is totally possible to achieve this year, as long as you stick to some key principles and strategies. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make 2025 the year you smash it on YouTube. Right now, you may feel a bit stuck. Maybe 2024 was a year where you really struggled to bring in any real views, and it was a year that you thought would have a better outcome. Perhaps you're also in a full-time job or in full-time education, and you feel like you're miles away from making YouTube a full-time thing. Trust me, I'm there with you right now. And as depressing and demotivating as this can be, we now need to draw a line under it and focus on 2025. And this is where the first and most important point comes in. Now that we're in the new year, take time to look back and analyze your performance last year. And now let's draw up a completely new, fresh plan to focus on going forwards. If 2024 was quite flat in terms of your growth, now we need to change up your approach. Think about the following questions. Were your thumbnails good enough? Were your ideas well researched? Would these video ideas find your ideal viewer? Or were they too generic? Was your editing too choppy? Could your setup and audio have been better? Maybe watch some of your old videos back and make notes on what you can improve on. This few hours of properly analysing and researching where you can go next, alongside setting out a plan and addressing these issues, will save you so much time and give you much better results going forwards. And it could be the difference that you need to see an extra couple of zeros on your sub count or on your revenue this year. When planning your content for the new year, you also have to be clear on your schedule. How often are you going to make content and how are you going to go about this? Because your channel is never going to grow how you want it to if you don't put enough content out. One video a week should be the minimum goal if you're an educational channel like myself. And if you put out around 50 videos this year and focus on improving every time, I can almost guarantee that you'll see the results you want. But at the same time, this needs to be quality and well thought out content. Try your best to steer away from making generic and average videos, and instead try and make every video more targeted towards your ideal viewer and better than your competitors' videos. And don't be afraid to get help with your videos if this feels unachievable for you on your own. We can actually help you with this, so head to our website down below if this sounds like you. Also, put extra focus on being yourself, showing your personality, and adding your own spin to things this year. As much as competition research is great, don't just take someone else's banging video and recreate it. Instead, find as many ways as possible to make this unique and different. Incorporate your humor, your way of saying things, and your style of branding. Don't just be a robot that emulates someone else. Try and be the pioneer who creates new ideas and concepts. Finally, you should also make sure that your mindset's in the right place and that you're focused on the right things. You shouldn't be solely focused on the end goal and results when making YouTube content. Stuff like views, subscribers, and money. Instead, focus on improving every video and enjoying the process of making each one. If you do this and show this energy in your videos, it won't be long before people take to you and you start growing an audience. One massive thing that will also affect your success on YouTube in 2025 is thumbnails. And you need to make sure you don't make this one mistake that could make your thumbnails ruin your audience retention. Watch this video right here to learn more. And if you want to see loads more content on how you can smash it on YouTube in 2025, just hit that subscribe button. Peace.